Hey y'all. Today we're going to do a 5-ingredient ground beef casserole. I've already browned the ground beef and drained it. You need about 1.5 to 2 pounds of that. Make sure you drain it. And then you put it in a large mixing bowl. You're going to add a can of cream of mushroom soup, a can of cheddar cheese soup, next thing you're going to need is some cubed frozen potatoes. I bought the 2-pound bag. Then you will take about a half a cup of cheddar, put in the mixture. Some salt, a little bit of pepper. Okay, so put this in there. All right, now you will take the remainder of your cheese, put on top. Okay, and we will cover that with foil. Now, if there's something on the top of the casserole that I don't want to come off, like say cheese, I spray the inside of my foil with the cooking spray to try to prevent it from sticking. All right, 350 degree oven for about 30 minutes. Then take the foil off and then cook for another 30. All right, I'll see you back here in an hour. Okay, this is the finished product. I let it cool down just a little bit after I took it out of the oven. And that's pretty much it. Just try to make sure that your potatoes are soft. Okay, I'll see you on the next video.